Number 5 is trigonometric functions and quadrantal angle. So A, find the sec of minus 540 degree. First find the first positive coterminal to this, which is sec minus 540 degree plus 2 times 360, and that is sec 180 degree, and that is equal to minus 1. B is if the terminal side of an angle theta is in quadrant 4, what is the sign of each trigonometric functions? So it is in quadrant 4. We know in quadrant 4 cosine and sec are positive and the rest are negative, which is the sine, cos, sec, tan and cotan are negative. Number 6 is quadrantal angle. Evaluate each of the expression. Tan 360 for A, tan 360 plus 4 sine 180 plus 5 cosine squared 180. Tan 360 is 0 over 1 plus 4 sine of 180 is 0 over 1 again plus 5 cosine 180. Cosine 180 is minus 1 over 1 squared, it is 1 times 5, it is 5. So it is 0 plus 0 plus 5 equals 5. B is find cotan 2n plus 1 times 90 degree. So when n is 0, cotan is x over y. When n is 0, it is cotan 90, which is 0 over 1, which is 0. Then when n is 1, it is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 times 90 is 270. 270 is here. It is 0 over minus 1, which is 0. Then if you increase n is 2, will give you 5. 5 times 90 will take you back to 90 degree. So as n increases, this angle fluctuates between 90 and 270. So either way, it is always 0. Please subscribe, share, and like. And ask your friends to subscribe, share, and like.